name is Shrutika. Hi guys, my name is Sharika. And today we are going to show you some jump rope tricks. Before doing jump rope tricks, you start by measuring the height of the jump rope. So first put your both legs in the center of the jump rope and bring up this part under your arms. So if it's under your arms about exact, that means this jump rope is the right height for you. Before we start jump rope tricks, so first you have to make sure you stay hydrated and you have to wear jumping shoes so it could be helpful for you. Let's get started with the first trick. This trick is called the bounce. It's just normal jump roping, but you have to keep your hands keep rotating and keep it to your side like this so it can be easier. Like this. That's called the bounce. So guys, this is called the double bounce. It's just like the first bounce, but you have to double jump. So it's like this. See, it's like 2-2. This is called trick number 3. So this is called the butterfly. So the rope has to go under you 2 times. So it's like this. First I'll show you it slowly. Like that. Now I'll show you continuously. Like that. Okay, now let's practice on trick number 4. It's called the jumping jacks. So put your jump, first let's start by a pattern way. So put it in a circle or an oval way, but I'm doing it in an oval way. So let's first put it like this, then jump, like jumping jacks. Don't move your hands like jumping jacks because if you move your hands, you won't get that practice because you're going to move your hand with the jump rope. So now let's start with the jump rope way. That's how you do it. This is trick number 5. This is called the scissors. It's just like cutting paper, but you do it with your legs. So this is how you do it. I'm going to show you the pattern. Try to keep your knee kind of straight. Leg. Now I'll show you it with jump rope. So this is how you do it with jump rope. So that's how you do it with jump rope. Okay, this is trick number 6 now. So now we're going to do the slide swing. Slide to the side and hop. Slide to the side and hop. And that's how you do it. This is trick number 7. Now let's do the Criss Cross. So let me show you the pattern way first because you might get confused with the real version. So first put it like an X and then just jump. You have to jump with 2 legs. Let me show you that again. Jump. And that's how you do it. Now let's show you with jump rope. Like this. And that's how you do it. So this is trick number 8. It's called the can-can. First I'll show you the pattern. It's kind of like dancing, but with jump rope. So knees like this, and then up, down, up, down, up. And keep that in your mind so you can do it with the jump rope. So it's like this with the jump rope. So that's how you do it with the jump rope. This is not a trick, but it's just a game that you can play with the jump rope. It's called helicopter, and this is my friend Karthik, so he's going to play with us today.
Also, I have another channel.
Tell the name.
The channel name is Karthik Board at Home.
So this is how you start it. It's kind of, you could do it this way, or even like this way. But I'm gonna do it like this. But I'm gonna do it this way. And that's how you do it. The helicopter. It's just like the fan spinning on top of the helicopter. First, let's show you slowly. You could do it anyway. You can even do it this way. Fast, no slow. Are you okay? Slowly, Shaywana. So he got tagged, right? So he gets to hold this. But we're not going to do that right now. So this is also called a partner jump. This is also another trick. So I'm going to show you the partner jump. There's two ways, so I'm going to show you the first way. So now I want to show you the second way. You might get hurt, so I'll show you it a little slowly. So she's going to jump first, then I'm going to jump inside.
Don't compare anything!
So now my little sister wants to try it.
Nice job, good job.
Very good. You're doing really good.
Good job, good job. Keep it up.
She made two.
Falta más. Tengo todo.
All enjoyed our techniques. Please subscribe and stay healthy. Be healthy and stay active.
So she's gonna jump and I'm gonna jump in.